Welcome guys to my channel Hobby Mo. In this video we are going to do a food station for birds. So my idea was getting these plastic feeders. You can use them for both water and seeds, and as they could get messy, I thought that I will make a food stand or food station. So I used this decking wood that I had, some extras here and there, and then do like this. Screw them together, and then I will screw the holders with the small nail here, like that. It's an idea, and it will give them space to stand on and drink water and eat at the same time. So we are going to screw everything together, and then we'll show you the final project. Thank you very much. This is the final project. We screwed them from the sides. Like that. And it's easy access. You add some seeds, water, make seed water, or two water, two seeds. Oh, it depends on you. Thank you very much guys for watching. I hope this food station tutorial will give you an idea. Please share and like, and press the notification bell button. Thank you very much.